about measuring mass. So, let's go! So, what is mass? Mass is usually measured in grams. Mass measures quantity of matter regardless of both its location in the universe and the gravitational force applied to it.
It is often called weight, but it is not the same because the weight of an object changes according to gravity.
Weighing scale is commonly used to measure mass. Grams, equivalent of 1,000 milligram. Kilograms is equivalent to 1,000 grams. Measuring mass in grams. 1,000 grams, equivalent of 1 kilogram. To convert grams to kilograms, we divide the number of grams by 1,000. Example, 9 grams equals 9 over 1,000 equals 0.9 kilogram.
Measuring mass in kilograms. To convert kilograms to grams, we multiply the number of kilograms by 1,000. Example, 8 kilograms is equivalent of 8,000 grams. Why? 8 kilograms is equivalent to 8 times 1,000 is equals to 8,000 grams.
Sometimes, the mass is expressed by combining kilogram and grams. Example, if we want to know the mass of the cheese and cake together, we could convert it all to grams or kilograms and add 2,200 grams plus 1,750 grams, it equals to 3,950 grams. Or we can add kilograms with kilograms and grams with grams as we follow. 2 kilogram and 200 grams plus 1 kilogram and 750 grams, it is equals 3 kilograms and 950 grams.
If the sum exceeds 999 grams, we would have to convert them to kilograms. For example, 2 kilogram and 500 grams plus 1 kilogram and 900 grams equals 3 kilogram and 1,400 grams. 3 kilogram and 1,400 grams equals 400 kilogram and 400 grams. Another example, Jason purchased 7 kilogram and 200 grams of sugar, 9 kilogram and 395 grams of rice. What is the total weight which Jason carried? 7 kilogram and 200 grams plus 9 kilogram and 395 grams equals 16 kilogram and 595 grams.
Try this! That's all for today's video tutorial.
Hope you learn and enjoy. Have a nice day. Bye!